it's Josh, and in today's video, I am going to explain to you how you can make 10,000 or more calls in a single day. Now, I use this right here in my Phoenix wholesale real estate business to absolutely crush leads and have them always coming in. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to give you one tool that has single-handedly made me millions of dollars in wholesale real estate. Now, we drop videos like this every single day on marketing, on sales, on disposition, so make sure you click the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. So we want to make 10,000 calls or more in a single day. We're probably doing this, in my case, to drive in wholesale real estate leads so we can make a bunch of money. And we want to be able to do it much more affordable than something like direct mail or pay-per-click, where the lead cost could be hundreds of dollars per lead. So with this, we can actually do it and get leads as low as $5, and we can get way more leads than it would take lifetimes to get if we actually smiled and dialed. So how do we do all this? Well, it's all in 3 secrets. Secret number 1 is what I call inbound cold calling. Secret number 2 is what I call app hacking. And then secret number 3, which is probably my favorite secret, is what I call the marketing budget hack. So let me break each one of those down for you. Inbound cold calling, this is how we take the most proven, time-tested method of prospecting that's ever existed, and we turn it into marketing. So what does that mean? Well, prospecting is when you spend your energy. You go to the people to try to create leads. Now, it's usually a lot cheaper than marketing, but it takes a ton of time, a ton of energy, and it's not scalable. After all, you can only go knock on so many doors per day or manually cold call so many people a day. Well, what this does with inbound cold calling is you can actually do the same thing, but now through automation, now we're going to get into secret number 2, which is app hacking. You can use it as a scalable thing so that people are actually calling you back. Now you're cold calling them, but because of the app hacking, we're using automation to replace what would take lifetime spent on the phone to achieve the same call volume. And we're going to do it. We don't have to go hire a call center. I've seen people in the business hire call centers, create call centers, outsource this. And here's the thing. At the end of the day, my automated copy, which would be my tone, the words I say, my sales proposition, which in wholesale real estate is, we want to buy your house for cash as is. You can pick the move out date. There's no fees, etc., etc. I can use tone in this really well, and I can get that message across great. If you're hiring, call centers, whether they're in the US or another country, that person's smiling and dialing all day. They can't wait to go on their lunch or go out to their car and smoke a cigarette or get off for the day or whatever it is, and that's not going to help you get more real estate deals. And when they're talking to somebody, they're going to be like, hey, do you want to sell your house? Not having an awesome tone that you can have when you set up automated cold calls using app hacking. So the third secret then is the marketing budget hack. And this is my favorite because this is how we get motivated seller leads that are instant, that are predictable, that are super profitable, as low as under $5. In fact, the record that I know of for the cheapest lead was actually one of my students recently. They goofed in their campaign where I was showing them how to do this to get wholesale real estate leads every single day and crush it and make lots of money doing deals. They goofed on their campaign. They had a setting off in the back end, and it wasn't a big deal. We fixed it right away. But what it did was they thought they were going to be sending out about 700 phone calls in Wichita, Kansas. And when they hit go, the campaign only called 77 or 78 people. But from that, they actually got a lead. So we fixed it. They were able to call the other people and get more leads. But they got a lead. That lead cost them about 5 minutes to set up the campaign and click the button. And then that lead cost them $1.14. It's insanely cheap. So I love it. My personal record for the biggest deal I've ever done from this lead source, $155,000. It was a cold calling on steroids deal actually a couple of years ago. We've done several big deals. In fact, we average over $20,000 profit per deal from this lead source, but our record ever, $155,000. It was just a whale in Sun Lakes, Arizona. So guys, again, inbound cold calling, app hacking, and the marketing budget hack. Now, if you want more information, how you can implement this in your business to get more real estate wholesaling leads every single day, because literally, guys, you can click a button and leads start coming in. You can check out, I'm gonna leave the link below in the description. I put on a masterclass where I go in depth and on all 3 of these tools so you can implement in your business the best practices, scripts, sequence, lists, data, everything, so you can make a ton of money. And I would encourage you to check that out below. Sometimes I'll do live webinars and do masterclasses where I select very limited people and I work with them one-on-one and in a group over the course of 4 weeks to implement this and make sure that they have amazing success in their business. So make sure to check out that link. If it's not available right now, sign up for the wait list and check out the other videos on my page for more tips on wholesale real estate, the marketing, the sales, the disposition, and creating an awesome business that will fuel an amazing life.